Restrictions for interstates and major highways mean drivers whose vehicles lack good traction or four-wheel drive could face fines. The Denver blizzard roared so ferociously before on Wednesday that the Colorado Department of Transportation for the first time activated the passenger vehicle traction law for metro area highways. That move and rdquo, aimed at preventing accidents by keeping vehicles that can't handle winter conditions off the road. and rdquo has been most familiar to Colorado mountain drivers since CDOT and the Colorado State Patrol stepped up enforcement last fall. The law says drivers of cars and passenger trucks that lack chains, snow tires, or four-wheel or all-wheel drive, with good tire tread of at least 1/8 of an inch, could face fines of more than $650 if they block the road. CDOT made the call just before 7 a.m. as a gloppy mess of snow and slush accumulated. It activated the law for all metro interstates and major state-maintained highways, including US 6 and C 470. We had significant volumes of snow that were coming down, CDOT spokeswoman Amy Ford said, and traffic was growing as commuters left early for work. In addition to that, we had just difficult or treacherous conditions and vehicles not capable of handling those conditions. More storm causes airport and road closures, knocks out power. AdvertisementEven with CDOT plows at work on the interstate.